If you want to enable or disable OTG connection on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, open up your phone dialer. Now you have to dial *#0808 and press hash. In this menu, make sure that it's set on MTP and press OK. As the second step, let's open up our settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab, locate your software information, locate your build number, and let's tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now enter your current PIN, press continue, give the permission to allow developer settings, press OK. Now go back, scroll down to the very bottom to your developer options. In here we gotta enable our USB debugging, press OK. Then at the second step we are to locate our USB option. So let's press USB and let's see. Yeah, we gotta locate our default USB configuration. Tap here. Tap on our default USB configuration and choose transferring files. And basically that's it. Now you are done and set up. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.